How are going up there, brother? How are going up there, brother? How are going up there, brother? How are going up there? How are going up there, charging?
Adams' Antidote. The criminals need to fear somebody. Renita Adams does not believe that the crime situation in Jamaica, including what is happening in St. James with 335 murders last year, requires a state of emergency. The psychologically driven but practically very focused ex-cop who once drove fear into the hearts of criminals far and wide said that the state of emergency should have been the very last factor that the security forces resort to when you really can't manage otherwise.
Because of the rise in violence in St. James Parish, which includes the tourist hotspot Montego Bay.
With more than 40 years of experience in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the former senior superintendent said he believes that proper management and strategic planning by the security forces to go after criminals who are wreaking havoc in the society can easily bring what is happening in the country under control. I don't think it is necessary anywhere in Jamaica for a state of emergency. With the level of power of the Commissioner of Police, where cordon and search and all that is concerned, if that is being done effectively and purposefully, we can manage, said Adams in the wide-ranging interview in which he reiterated his fervent desire to be put at the helm of the police force, even for free, to lead a purposeful thrust to take the criminal bull by the horn. As far as I am concerned, if I were the police commissioner, there would not have to be a state of emergency, because I would have seen to it that the bulk of the resources that I have available to me would have been sent to St. James, including myself, if I were the commissioner, said Adams. In any country where you have criminals not being fearful of the law, fearful of institutions that are put there to see that they follow the law, any country that has reached that stage has nowhere going in terms of development economically. Development where crime management is concerned has nowhere going as the criminals are in charge, said Adams. From the Renita Adams textbook on how to combat serious crimes in Jamaica, it appears that it is not just the might that is important, but more critically the mindset. Adams claims it is not only the fault of the police, but also successive governments and the general society that has also contributed significantly to the decay. In declaring that he has a solution to address the crime problem nationally, Adams said he was more than ready to lead the police force, and he had in his arsenal a number of strategies that would bring about some drastic changes in crime within just 6 months. And I can tell them that Renita Adams say if they are looking for a man to add in algebra or high sciences, that is not me. But if they want someone to deal with crime in this country, I am that man, declared the colorful and resolute character. If they want someone to deal with the crime and deal with criminal elements and make this country safe again, or try to make the country really safe, they can look in my vineyard, they can look in my direction, Adams said. He also spoke about the art of driving fear into the hearts of criminals. I used to make criminals run away to England, America and Canada. Some turn Christians, some go turn pastor and church, some look work. And when you see all these things happening now, where we change how many commissioners in the past 5 years, it is sad, said Adams. He also said it is a myth that the criminals nowadays are fearless. He said what is really happening is that there is nothing out there to put any real fear in the minds of criminals. There is no option in society, the police force or the government, that they fear. In other words, the thought of going to Montego Bay to kill people, these criminals know that in a journey to Montego Bay, there is a 99% chance that they might not be affected. It is 99% when they commit their acts down there that they will get away. It is 99% that when they are caught, they will be given bail directly to return to the streets to continue their criminal activities. There is nothing out there for criminals to fear, Adams declared. He also had several solutions to weed out corrupt cops from the JCF, especially those members who are in bed with criminal elements. Many of the things that are plaguing the force and the country can be dealt with, but you need somebody, policemen and women, who when they come off the job, they don't have to go stop around there so to beg some money or borrow some money sometimes from the same people who they have to manage criminally or people who they have to confront, said Adams. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Policing is a profession that will push you beyond.
Thank you for watching the video. drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.